Hello, welcome back to Canva series. Today I am going to show you grouping, ungrouping and changing transparency of an object in Canva. For this I have dropped some text on the page. Now as you can see, all of these are separate. I will group them by selecting them all and clicking group from the top bar. Now these are grouped and I can move them together. I can also change their font style or size from individually by selecting which I want to change. To ungroup, click on anywhere the group items and click ungroup from the bar. Now everything is again separate and you can move individual. You can group and ungroup any item you like, as I am grouping only the first two text items so I can move them together. Now I am showing how to change transparency. You can change transparency of any object like text, image, element, picture. I am dropping some elements on the page. Select the element you want to change and go to the top bar to find this option. From this option you can change transparency. Transparency feature is used when you don't want direct attention on something. We transparent them and use them in our projects. As you can see, I have placed the design behind text and still it is not taking away the focus from text. Hope this video helped you to understand how to use these features. See you in the next video.